Hey there, YouTube friends. About a year ago I bought this Greenworks 1800 PSI pressure washer from Lowe's for about 120 bucks. I'm going to be doing a lot of pressure washing today, so you'll get to see how it operates on different surfaces and how good of a job it does. So let's get to it. Everything you see here came with the pressure washer. We have the detergent bottle, the surface washer, the pressure washer itself, the wand, the turbo nozzle, the gun, and the hose. Alright, we're going to start on the concrete over here, and you're going to see a major difference in a minute. Okay, I'm going to take the surface washer off and switch to the turbo nozzle, and we're just going to clean this patio table over here, and you can see it's all dirty. Okay, you can see we have a lot of pollen on the arms of the chair, so I'm just going to take care of that. Just going to hit the cushions too. You can see all that green pollen on the deck. We had a really heavy pollen this spring. Everything was covered. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use the turbo nozzle first, just to loosen it up, and then I'll use the surface washer, just to make sure I get it good and clean. You can see it coming up as I'm doing it. Alright, now I switch to the surface washer just to clean it up a bit. Okay, you can see this door I built 2 years ago. It's starting to get gray and weathered, so I'm going to hit it with the pressure washer and just see if we can clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're done for the day. I'm just going to disconnect everything and put it away. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, please subscribe, and happy spring cleaning. I'll catch you next time.